I'm here back again at Six Flags Over Texas, and it's spring breakout. You can see they got the inflatable rubber ducks, and they got the stage for the Silver Star Carousel going, and they got this right here.
There's the Aquaman Power Wave right there.
And Sci-Fi Dude #1 is looking at the new map for this year.
Pretty much the same thing.
As you can see, it's got Aquaman on it.
There's Runaway Mountain, and we also noticed that.
Right first.
We also noticed one thing. I'm also noticing one thing, and right there, the Yosemite Sam ride. I'm not sure if that's still on the map or not. Is Yosemite Sam still on there, or is it?
I don't know. I haven't looked at the map yet.
It's not listed on the map. Yosemite Sam, Gold River Adventure, which is right there, right next to the Chopstick. That is no longer listed on the park map. But we're still going to see.
So we haven't gone into the park yet. So
anyway, that is a look at the new park map for this year. Can you hold that for me real quick?
All right, hold on, folks. I gotta hold his map.
Hold that map just for a second. Mark's gonna hold it. I'm gonna try and get a look at it real quick. That is the new park map for this year. I'm gonna take a photo of this and be back with you. Okay, thanks, Mike.
You're welcome. All right, so Danny's gonna hold his map again. Sci-Fi Dude #1, and we're going to show you his map, show us the inside of it. So right there where my hand is Aquaman Power Wave, and there's the Six Flags membership thing, and yeah, really cool deal. And one thing he was noticing was that Yosemite Sam's not on there. So they may do something with that ride for next year or whatever. I don't know, but it'll be interesting, that's for sure. And there you can see the logos of some of the rides, like Harley Quinn's Insanity, Batman the Ride, and Mr. Freeze Reverse Blast. And it tells you what rides you can use the Flash Pass for. So that's pretty cool. Even the antique cars, which is kind of crazy. So anyway, that's a look at the Six Flags map and everything. I'm actually going to get Sci-Fi Dude #1 here to hold my camera for a minute so I can put my backpack back on. And we'll see you guys here in a minute. Sci-Fi Dude, if you would. Hold this for just a second so I can put my backpack on.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
And we can now give you breaking news. Mike is putting his backpack on, or his sling bag. We'll have footage of it. We'll have a film at 11 on that. Breaking news: Mike puts on his sling bag.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to do as much as we can today, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. A lot of fun. The park's open, so what do you say? Let's go. Let's do it. All right. I'll be back in a minute. We're gonna check in to some rides and everything like that. So we'll be back with you guys shortly here. Alrighty, this is Mad Mike back out here with you at Six Flags Over Texas again. So I just showed you we're here for spring breakout, and these guys are working on the track actually as we speak. And there you go. You can see them working on the track right there. Have to be careful when walking on these rocks and stuff like that. As you can see, they're hammering away there. And we're actually over here by Daffy Duck's Bucket Blasters, which is closed for right now until the summer. And there you can get a really good view of them working on the track. So, very cool. There goes Superman Tower powered. And awesome. So yeah, they're moving right along. And here, I'm trying not to overlap Sci-Fi Dude number 1 doing his vlog. Alright guys, we're going to try to get another view a little bit later on. We'll be back shortly. Alrighty folks, let's get this adjusted here. Here it goes. Okay, so we're walking along and this area here by All-American Cafe has been cleared. So I don't know what they're going to be putting here. Could be another patio or something. All right, how are you?
Pretty good.
All right, so do we know what's going here?
This is going to be the new 3-point shootout.
Oh, the
3-point over here that they had to take out for the new ride.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, there's our answer, the new 3-point shootout.
You got to put it somewhere, right? Yep. I'm looking forward to this new ride, Aquaman Powerway.
So,
me too.
Interesting. All right, guys, we'll see you in a bit. All right, so we just got off Justice League. Didn't do too good. 7,000. My gun was having issues, but as you can see, once again, you can clearly see Aquaman. You have a good view of it over here from the Justice League after you exit the ride. And see that dirt trail there? See the guys working on it, get a better view of what they're doing.
That's my sock.
So yeah, so that's what's going on. There goes the skyscraper. A little too windy for me right now to ride that.
That was not nice. That was not nice at all.
So yeah, so everything's coming along. Alright guys, we'll see you soon. We just came out of Runaway Mountain and they themed it up for spring break. The trolls had summer clothes on like bikinis and they had a surfer yeti in there. What'd you think about it, Sci-Fi Dude number 1?
Well, I think it's a great touch for spring breakout. The surfer yeti with a surfboard and trolls wearing bikinis. I like and a beach ball. I think that's just what they need for spring breakout. Good theming. This ride is indoors. They already had some theming. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean in real life that's kind of disturbing, but it makes the ride fun. But yeah, there's almost like no crowds out here today, man. So the official section of what used to be the USA section is called Looney Tunes Mall. So yeah, very interesting. Check out these saw blades here. Hey, let's see how far they're coming along on the patio over here while we're over here. So we're heading over here to JB's right now, JB's Smokehouse, and as we walk over here past the building, we're going to see how far they've gotten along. Oh, Danny, Sci-Fi Dude, you ought to check this out. So that's pretty cool. We got some weapons and stuff like that. And this is going to be an extended part of JB Smokehouse. It's going to be air conditioned and everything like that. And you can actually stand in here. And they got trash cans right there. Oh man, this looks good. This looks really good. Wow. So again, that air-conditioned patio is coming along nicely. Well, I can tell you this, you can step in there now.
Just 1 second, I'm gonna get some pictures of that.
So, we'll be back with you soon, guys. Alright guys, man, Mike back with you here. And we're actually heading over to Yosemite Sam's, Hill River Adventure, or what used to be Yosemite Sam's. There you can see the Christmas decorations over there.
This is the Texas Giant, right?
It's one drop. You got it.
I'll see this, right?
Come on, you got it.
Right? Okay,
As you can see, they have a bench blocking the entranceway there. So that's kind of interesting.
Yosemite Sam's Hill River Adventure, or what was Yosemite Sam's Hill River Adventure. They don't want to have a sign up on that. There is still a great deal of
We're gonna go down here and check out some more stuff.
same ride or something entirely different. They're working on it. Of course, as you know, the floods from a couple of years ago.
There was a flood that happened a while back, so yeah. We don't know what's going to happen with this ride. Shoo! Excuse me. But all the Looney Tune theming has been gone from this ride. So, it's very interesting. But that spring break sign's covering up the Yosemite Sam logo. Now this is interesting over here. They block these air conditioners off. There goes the Texas Giant. I don't refer to it as new anymore, just FYI, but anyway, so yeah, they got the air conditioners blocked off. So that's kind of interesting. And guys, we'll see what happens. All right, we'll be back. So we are here by the Lone Star, or not Lone Star, but Texas Theater. As you can see, they still got part of the Fright Fest stuff up. This used to be home to one of the best shows out here, the Batman Stunt Spectacular and everything like that, but unfortunately that show's no longer here. It was the Batman stunt shows were great, man. So there we go for that. And we just checked into this ride, and guys, I'm gonna go check into Superman, and we'll be back shortly. All right, so we're over here in the Gotham City section, and as you can see, the Joker is back open for business. Would ride it today, but the weather's a little chilly. But nice to know that it's open back up. And unfortunately, it won't let us check in right now to Joker. So we are about to go check into Harley Quinn Spin Sandy and then go get our lunch.
Hey, someone's in the chat. This is what the
All right.
If you get in, this is what the secret.
We'll be right back. Stay tuned. All right, so this is my lunch, the buffalo chicken strip sandwich. Danny got the mango habanero.
Oh, yeah.
And I can't eat too much spicy stuff. It doesn't agree with me. But what's interesting is we're in here, and one of the guys said he watched my video. So pretty cool. All right. And And this is also when the Splash Water Parade opens up, comes back. This is where you will register for the parade and get some more skip the line passes. All right, guys, we'll be back soon.